Welcome to our Moments support video, which will take you through parent engagement with regards to sharing information to guardians in relation to moments, reports, and family stories via the Kidsoft Parent Portal. So, as a parent, when I log into my Kidsoft Parent Portal, either via the web or via the app, I can click on my Moments menu and I will be guided to view moments that have been shared. So I can click on the particular room if I have multiple children and all of my children view here. I can look at my particular date range. So if I want to look at moments for a particular date range, I can choose that and I can see all of the moments that have been shared with me. I'm able to go and click into the moment and view the moment in more detail. And I can also click here to add a comment. That comment will then be shared back into Moments to my applicable educator. I can go back through into the Moments menu and I can see my reports. So I can see reports that have been shared with me. Again, I can use my date range. I can come in here and I can view the applicable report that has been shared with me for my children. So in this instance, I have 2 children. I can go through and I can have a look at the information that's been shared. And again, I can go through and I can provide a comment. I can also share my family stories. So this is where as a parent, I can engage with my service or my educator. So I can go through and I can create a story. So it might be new puppy. I can choose my child or children that I would wish for that to be shared through. And then I can go ahead now and I can create my story. So I can type whatever I like to the educator. I can go through and I can share images. I can save that as a draft if I'd like to come back to that. When I'm ready, I can click share. That family story will then be shared to Moments for my educator to review and converse with me accordingly. So, as a parent, I can see everything that I need in this nice simple menu, and I can go back through, depending on my date ranges, across my moments, my reports, and my family stories. That concludes our Moments Parent Portal video. Please click through to our next videos to explore more of the Moments features in further detail. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly customer success team. Thank you.